Do you want to know everything about cinema lenses? This is the Cinema Lens Manual.
This is a CineD Gear News video, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hi everybody, this is Nino from CineD here at NAB 2022. I'm very honored to be here at the ASC booth with Jay Holben. How are you?
I'm well, thank you. How are you doing?
Very well indeed. Well, actually, this is a bit of a different video. It's not about a piece of gear, which is very nice, actually, for once, not to talk about a new camera, light, or lens. This is about a book, but it is a book about lenses. It's the book about lenses, I would say. So you spent how many years writing this together with Christopher Probst?
This was an 8-year project, putting this thing together. The two of us collaborated almost a decade.
Incredible. So tell me the thought process when you got started. Why did you do that, and what is actually, what's the goal with this?
Well, we realized that there is a large gap in the educational market when it comes, and the informational market when it comes to cinema lenses, specifically cinema style lenses. And we noticed that there's a lot of misinformation and a lot of incorrect information that's out there, and a lot of opinions, and we really
Half knowledge.
Yeah, thank you. Half knowledge. And we wanted to be able to set the record straight and provide something that was written in layman's terms. Most of the books that are available are written for optical designers, so there's a lot of calculus, and there's a real thick, steep barrier to entry. And we wanted to write something that didn't require formulas, that didn't require math, that was in simple language and covered everything that we possibly could pack into 836 pages.
Very cool. And did you know what you got yourself into 8 years ago? I mean, were you expecting this to be like 800 pages?
No, definitely did not know. I naively thought that it was going to be about a year or two. This is actually my third book. It's Chris's first, but the first two were a lot faster for me. Originally, my idea was to do pretty much the first 3 chapters and the last 2. And Chris and I have a habit. We've been working together for 30 years. We've been very good friends for 30 years. And we push each other constantly. So one of us will come up with some information, the other will do more, we'll then next do more and be like, oh, I found this. And so we just started packing things, and it grew. And, there's a couple of things. The biggest chapter in the book, which is the history and genealogy of about 140 years of cinema optics, was something that Chris really pushed for us to do. I didn't want to do it because it's 230 pages, and it took us the better part of about 2 years just to do that alone.
But it's important. You need to know where you're coming from, right? To understand where you're now with the lenses.
Absolutely. And it provides a lot of information about the differences between lenses over 140 years of cinema. In addition to films and TV shows that were shot with those lenses, which was a major undertaking to vet and verify those 2,000 titles that are in here.
Yeah. Who do you think are your main target audience with this? Is it cinematographers? Is it lens nerds? Is it, why would you think somebody would read the entire thing?
It's definitely the primary audience is cinematographers. But we also targeted it for camera assistants. We targeted it for visual effects artists, for animators working to emulate looks of lenses, like Pixar films that are mimicking the character of lenses, for directors. We tried to make it as accessible to as many people as possible. Lens technicians and even optical designers have purchased this. The optical designers from Zeiss were here yesterday, very excited about it because it covers things that they don't have access to.
Very
So
cool.
great.
And I got aware of it through social media. I think through your Instagram, and I think somebody's resharing all those. Like, a lot of people are tagging your account when they actually bought the book, and I was like, oh, this is something that a lot of people waited for a very long time, right?
Yes, yeah.
Because I think you've been teasing it for a long time.
Well, we kept saying it's coming soon. It's
Yeah.
coming soon. It's coming soon. Again, not realizing it was going to take us 8 years to do this. But social media is a wonderful resource for getting to the right audience. And it allowed us to connect to the lens nerds and the cinematographic community and sort of build that interest early on. So it's been wonderful.
Very cool. Where can people get it, and how much is it?
CineLensManual.com. You could also get it from the ASC store, and it's $175.
And you ship internationally.
Yeah, ship pretty much all over the world.
Very exciting. Well, I look forward to really reading this as well. So yeah, it's a long review, I think, if you read the whole thing. But yeah, it's very exciting to see this. Yeah, thank you very much. Thanks for taking the time, and good luck with the book. And yeah, hopefully this will be in bookstores globally as well in the future. So it's going to be easier for people to get it internationally as well.
Yes, for the moment right now, it's exclusively through our printer, through Cine Lens Manual, and everybody's going through us. But come Christmas time, it'll be opened up to a larger distribution chain.
All right. Thank you so much, Jay, and thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned to CineD and our YouTube channel for a lot more from NAB 2022, and please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks.